preparing this exam. I started my preparation in 2014. So I'm not the person who cleared this exam in first or second attempt. It took me 4 years to clear this exam. In my fourth attempt, I got into the services. So I have certain experience which I want to share with you people, the journey which I had and the preparation tips which I want to give you people. There are certain mistakes which I committed, so I want to share with you people so that you should not commit those mistakes. So for a beginner, the first thing is the question which comes up is when to start. That is the first basic question for the beginners. I've seen many people asking me that whether we should start the preparation in graduation itself, or I've received calls of students who are in 11th, 12th class asking me whether we should start preparation during 11th, 12th. So I want to clear this thing in the very beginning, that when you are into your graduation or into your schooling, you should focus more on that part. That is very important, because the knowledge which you will acquire there will ultimately help you in clearing this exam. So the basic focus should be on your graduation. That is the first thing. So when to start? In the end years of your graduation, you should have a goal that you want to clear the civil services. But in the end year of graduation, you should start focusing on this exam. Second question which comes up is how to start. That is a very important question, because the syllabus is very vast and it is very difficult for the beginners to understand the pattern of this exam. So here in this video, I am going to share some mistakes which I committed, so that you can have a good overall plan for clearing this exam. So first thing is, you need to understand certain things before starting your preparation. And the first thing you need to understand is the time period. At least 2 to 4 years are required for clearing this exam. Say if you clear this exam in first attempt also, then also it requires 2 years, because you start your preparation, then the whole circle of exams completes in 1 year, and up to the time you go to the academy, it takes around 2 years. So you should have this period in your mind, that it will take minimum of 2 years and it can go up to 4-5 years. So you should be ready for that. That is very important, first thing that you need to understand. The second thing is, as everyone knows, UPSC is called as the mother of all exams. So you require ruthless determination in this exam. Everyone knows it's a fact that the success ratio of this exam is very less, to the tune of 0.1%. Lakhs of candidates appear in this exam and only few get selected. So ruthless determination is what is required for this exam. So this is second most important thing. There is no space for committing any mistake in this exam. I've seen people who have given interview and then they have plugged in prelims. There is no space for committing mistake. You need to understand this thing. Third thing you need to understand before starting your preparation is that the exam, it's a long process and you'll see many failures during this exam. I'm telling this based on my experience. I've failed in prelims, mains, interviews. So there are a lot of failures. So you need to prepare your mind. You need to prepare yourself for these failures. If you'll be ready, if you'll accept these failures, if you'll see it in a positive perspective, then they'll teach you a lot. So these few things are there that you need to understand before starting your preparation.